In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive a post on Substack. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your app, then find the post that you wish to archive. For my case, I want to archive this post. I will go ahead and open it. And once it is opened, you can see it is quite long. I want to archive this post. To do that, go ahead and tap on these three dots. And you can see you have an option to archive. If I go ahead and tap on archive, now you can see my post has been archived. Should I want to unarchive it or remove it from archive, I'll just need to go to homepage, go to my account, and then scroll down to archive here. And if I tap on this, I can see all the posts that I have previously archived. And my post is here. So if I tap on it, I can again use the same process to unarchive it. And by just clicking on an archive, it will be restored back to my home page. So that's how you can archive posts on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.